Hi all and welcome to ARTea Art School, another science and art project challenge to do. So we're going to make some slime. Everybody loves slime. So first thing you've got to do is dissolve your activator, and the activator we're going to use today is borax. So what you need to do is have around about 25 ml of hot water, and you're going to dissolve a scoop, probably about that much of the borax in there, and give that a mix. Dissolve it all down so it's got no lumps or anything like that. Brilliant. And then put that to one side. Next step is we've got to mix the glue with the hot water, and it's best to do this in a silver bowl. So you need about 100 ml of water, okay, of hot water. Pour that into the bowl, and you need about the same of glue as well. So 100 ml of glue. I'm using this glitter glue, and I'll probably need, it's about 177 ml, so I probably need, yeah, just over half. So I'm going to squeeze that in, squeeze in the glue. If you've got clear glue, this is when you could add the glitter and the food coloring if you want to. Just blob it in there. Oh, making a great noise. All right, let's see how we are. Let's see how much of that it is. Probably a little bit more. All right. All right, let's get it in there. Then what you need to do is give it a really, really good mix. So let the glue really dissolve in the hot water. So keep mixing, get rid of all the lumps, get it really, really connected, mixed in. A little bit more mixing. It's good with the glitter glue because it really, you can really see where it hasn't dissolved yet and it hasn't completely mixed. There we go. Give it a really, really good mix. Add a little bit more in there. Right, next step is just adding the activator. So if you did want to add glitter, you could add glitter in now. If you wanted to add a little bit of food colouring, if you wanted to do a different colour, this is when you'd add it in now. One tip, don't use the same spoon that you've used to mix the activator, because if you use that now with the glue, it will start to activate it before you've mixed it in. So yeah, so always use a different clean spoon when doing this part. Next part is putting in the activator. So you get your another spoon, put the spoon in there, and pour in slowly a little bit of the activator, and then give it a mix. Okay, and then add some more activator, add it all in, and give it a really good mix. It's hard when you're just using one hand. Keep mixing, and you can see this starting to develop, starting to come into like a blob. You see? Way. All right, mixing. As you can see, it's still quite wet. So if it is quite wet, keep mixing. And then at the last point, if it's still a bit still sticky, okay, because you want it not to be sticky, you can sprinkle in a little bit of bicarbonate soda. Add a bit of bicarbonate soda in there. Okay, keep giving it a mix. Probably need a little bit more. Then there we go. All right, get a bit more mixing. All right, oh, look at it mixing. Takes a while, like you still got to keep mixing and get all the edges around, get all the glue around the edges as well. Mixing. All right. Ooh. I'm going to add a little bit more bicarbonate soda if it's a bit sticky. Probably need to use a bit less water. Mixing. All right. Okay, let's test our slime. Oh, that's amazing. Look at that. And we have made slime. All right. Hope you've enjoyed today's demonstration. Oh, it's so gooey. I love it. You know, go online on our ARTea Art School challenge. You want to knead it with your hands, actually. That's sort of getting the slime a bit better together. Knead it all together. I would recommend once your slime's made to put it into a plastic bag, little sandwich bag, and then the kids can also play with it through the plastic bag as well. And yeah, put it online, put it on our ARTea Art page. Hope you've enjoyed. Thank you. Bye.